here at North Chickamauga Creek State Park. This has been a natural area in the state, but with the partnership with the legislature and our office, we funded resources to create an actual state park here. So this will have rangers, there'll be a visitor center right over here, there'll be expanded parking, and actually this is just part of our effort across the state to expand, to conserve the incredibly beautiful resources that we have here in Tennessee.
Not only is North Chickamauga Creek Gorge full of this fabulous whitewater paddling opportunity, but there's also bouldering and rock climbing opportunities here to go along with some pretty rugged and beautiful trails and overlooks, and connectivity to a section of the Cumberland Trail that makes this the perfect gateway, the southern gateway for the Cumberland Trail through Tennessee.
I think with the governor coming here, it just really solidifies their commitment, our leadership's commitment to expanding state parks, providing future access for the next generation, generations beyond them. And for the governor to come, I think, is flattering for me as the new park manager here. And I think that it also really shows the community that he's invested in Tennessee state parks.
We put $500 million in conservation this year in our budget to create 4 new state parks. We can balance development with preservation, but you have to be very thoughtful about it, very intentional about it. And that's what we're doing in this state, is intentionally providing preservation and conservation while we're one of the fastest growing and rapidly developing states. It's possible to do both, and we're doing it.